This video will show you how to properly remove the seal on a Fresco peak slider. If you have a dirty or leaking seal, this is the process you'll need. Tools you'll use will be a small flathead screwdriver, a roller, your Bond, and your replacement seal. To start, you'll need to pry up under the old seal with your flathead screwdriver and pull the old seal out. You'll have some of that Bond sticking to the seal, which we can clean up later. All that old glue will need to be cleaned out of the track. We also use the small flathead screwdriver for that process. Just push it down in the track, slide it along, and it should scrape out all that old glue. Quick wipe down around the track to clean up any glue that escaped. This will help the new seal function. Now you're ready to lay your new bead of Bond. So what you'll do is just a thin bead along the bottom of the track, just to cover the bottom. Once you have your bead laid in the track, you're ready to install your new seal. So on your seal, there is a jointed part and 3 weep holes. One right by the joint and 2 on the side here. So you want the joint part in the center by the handle, and then facing away from you, you'll have the 2 other weep holes running up the right side of the slider. Now the part that goes in the actual track on your frame is this section right here. So you have your weep hole, it's on the back side, and your top facing towards you is a wide mouth on the seal. That is the section that will go in the track. You start by just wrapping your seal around the corners of the window. pushing your corners down into the track. Then we use our roller to firmly press the steel into the track. And now you are ready to reinstall your slider.